Y'all, we're not giving them a chance to have a showtime.
Don't have to be a three. Don't have to be a three. Make shots. Oh, we're not safe. No dribbles. Catch and shoot. There you go. Wrong base.
Everything's strong.
Hey, don't come out.
Go, rebound.
Jump shot. Let's go.
Yeah,
That's what we gotta step through. Here, pivot. Use your pivot. Jump stop. Use your pivot. There you go. There you go, Jalen. There you go. Much better.
If you could do it all through your nose, better. All through your nose is better. That's like a Spartan. That's how Spartan strength.
Wiggle your body. Just use your arms.
Breathe with your nose. You breathe. My knees is a personal strength. That's not sweat. That's achievement.
To your nose, not to your forehead. To your nose. Right there. There you go.
Your wrist. Turn around. Your wrist.
I'm good, Coach. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Not a race. Make sure your back is straight and your butt is low. Imagine that you're on the.
You guys can do it together. I can't do it, but can we do it? We could do anything. You achieve something. Okay? Two hands. Let's go. Freaking flex your muscles, bro. Flex your muscles. Get up and flex. Do whatever. Like, right? Do you feel stronger? Do you feel tougher? Right? This is the whole thing. Like you guys got to be proud of yourself when you go up, and that's what I'm saying. That's why we practice hard and practice, and today was excellent. Trust yourself. Trust your heart. Who feels like you're better today than you were at yesterday's practice? Yeah?
I'm seeing.
And then Kai was listening. Is the job done?
No! Job's not finished.
One run.
Two more. Center. Flip the switch.
Take the liquor.
Go to the creator. Deep breath. Chest up. Chin down. That's your belly, especially knee breath.
Kobe and Michael Jordan's coach saw you guys.
He literally
He saw it.